Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, we got another Jordan for you guys. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's open the box and see which one it is. Ooh, you can already see which one it is. There we are. Here we go. And as you can see, today we have the Jordan 1 LA to Chicago's. Yeah, so these came out a few years ago or last year, I cannot remember. But yes, these are very nice Jordans, one of my favorite Jordan 1s. As you can see, they look very nice. Let's start with the bottoms. Nice black bottoms. Then you have, it looks white but it's almost like a cream sail midsole. Then you have the nice purple, and look at the leather quality. It is butter. Absolutely great leather quality on these. As you can see, buttery. You have the nice yellow swoosh. You have the Wings logo there, very nice, embossed. Comes with a whole different color of laces. I put the yellow ones in. It actually does not come with yellow ones. It comes with so many other colors. As you can see, the top leather quality amazing. Quickly have a look at the nylon tongue with the Nike SB. As you can see, these ones are an SB, so these are the Jordan 1 Nike SB, which stands for skateboarding. Now the special trick on these ones is, as you can see here, you see the red lining, the paint rubs off. You can actually rub off this whole paint and it turns into a Chicago colorway. That's why it is called the LA to Chicago. So you can turn the LA colorway into a Chicago colorway, which is crazy. Very nice Jordan 1s. As you can see, this is the other side, and I have just got the normal white laces in this one, which looking very nice as well. So this is how they look with the white lace. Very nice pair of Jordan 1 SBs. Now I will quickly give you an on-hand shot. So this is how you would look if you wear this on hand. Still don't have the budget for the on feet, but there we go. Very nice. So the retail on these were $135 here in the UK, I believe, and the resale on these are crazy now. You're looking at maybe £600, which is a lot of Ugandan dollars. Yeah, so unfortunately, if you missed out on these, then now you have to pay the resale, which at the moment are very high. So as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed the review. If you like the video, I'm going to do some more sneaker unboxings, some more reviews, and as always, belly down.